OpenAI just announced ChatGPT Plugins, which let ChatGPT interact with the real world. This is OpenAI's fourth release this month, and it is a big one. ChatGPT can now access current events and anything past its training date of September 2021. Even Elon Musk has voiced his concern over the speed at which OpenAI has been advancing, nevertheless. This is a game changer, allowing it to be more powerful than ever before. OpenAI has two main plugins that make ChatGPT much more powerful. The plugin for the web browser finally lets ChatGPT read from the internet. In a crazy demo, ChatGPT is used to ask a question and then show not only the answer, but also the steps and sources used to get there. This is a big accomplishment that goes toward fixing the problem of large language models spazzing out and having hallucinations. For writing and fixing code, it was already great. But with the new code interpreter plugin for ChatGPT from OpenAI, you can go one step further and actually run that code. Right now, the plugin only works with Python, which is more than enough for many uses and developers. But it is only a matter of time until it is able to run every coding language. It will be a great day when ChatGPT can write, run, and put an app online. Another feature that will put many consultants out of work is the retrieval plugin, which allows organizations to upload their own personal company data, like internal documentation, emails, code, or whatever, to a vector database like Pinecone, making it searchable by ChatGPT thanks to the OpenAI's embedded API or application programming interface. The demo of the code interpreter shows different ways to use it. One of them shows how the CSV file is read and uploaded. ChatGPT can analyze the file's data and make visualizations without having to write a single line of code. An image is being uploaded and talked about. Then ChatGPT can change the size of the image, which the user can then download without having to write a single line of code. In this clip, ChatGPT is asked to pull out the first 5 seconds of a video clip, and it does it. OpenAI has basically made a plugin app store where it can already connect with tools like Zapier or Expedia. This example shows how chatbots can use more than one plugin in a single question. It uses the OpenTable plugin to find a vegan restaurant in San Francisco, normal ChatGPT to make a simple recipe, Wolfram Alpha to figure out how many calories are in the recipe, and Instacart to order the ingredients. To make a new plugin, all someone has to do is upload some generated OpenAPI files and tell ChatGPT what their API is used for, and you're all done. The rest is taken care of by ChatGPT as if it were done by a wizard. If magic also replaces all types of developers and software engineers, it seems like OpenAI releases something new every week that wipes out a lot of jobs and companies. But I hope that instead of making people completely obsolete, automation will help them move faster and work better. Thanks for watching. Check out more of our videos here.